Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Arets Auto. Today we'll be working on the 2007 Toyota Corolla. This is a castero installation job. This is the customers. So they want me to install an Android castero. So for this, I was not the one that bought it. He got it as a gift. So he wanted me to do the installation. Now we have all the parts for the car within the installation. To remove the castero, you take out this part, take it off. You get access to this. So we have taken out this and this. Though they have worked on this car before, the AC unit. So this is what I have here. So what I'll do, I'll take out these two bolts from here. So I'll take this out. So I've taken out this. Now that we'll have this, you can see the new set. The air vent is not here, so I'll have to transfer this air vent to this one. So we finally transfer the air vent from the old stock to the new castero. I'll fixed, assemble this part back. This normally would have fit in here, but I have to quickly work on the reverse camera, so that was why I didn't connect it. Actually, this is the. I will test this and see that it's working. Then I will go ahead and work on the reverse camera. Okay, now I have the castero connected, so we are going to test for. I'm going to test and see if we're getting sound well. So. Check the radio station. I believe that is equally okay too. Just do a scan. So the radio is okay, the antenna is working. So maybe later we can now actually set for stations. So we'll go ahead and work on the reverse camera. So now we are going to install the reverse camera. I'm likely going to install the reverse camera here. First of all, take out these clips and we're likely going to run it down here. Now we have taken out the clip. We'll take this screws up. And we also test for the get our power for the reverse camera.
Don't go kill me on time.
We have managed to put the reverse camera. I want to do the wiring connection. I've gotten our positive and negative. We are going to use sticker.
Yeah, no, they do like others where they use sticks, they cannot wire.
This is basically to test run. If I turn it, just want said, this is just to test run that all wirings are okay before we finally perfect everything. doing the full installation. We just launched. So we're going to text the reverse camera function. Okay, so we have confirmed that the reverse camera is okay. Um, so what's left now is for us to tidy up the installation and hide all the wires. Let's see. The reverse camera is okay. We'll tidy up the wires. Run the wires now. Hmm? I think I'll walk to run the wires now. This is an result. Also, we have succeeded in installing the reverse camera. We will test. I've finished the installation. This is what we have now. So this is the Android stereo. Yeah, see the reverse camera. It's working. Then music. Of course, our radio station, though we have not tuned any station. That is poor signal. This is an arrest auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel.